One day, maturity bumped me, and I did a handshake and entered adolescent age. I lost my innocence and childish nature. New me started thinking about the future. The body started changing fast as life. Parents were stressed about my short height. I can't decide if I am a child or immature. I struggled in confusion and got a failure. I initiated caring about shitty people that I never did. Then, in a prosperous field, I became a useless bit. Until I could figure out everything, I crossed my 16. Then, I realize now I am a teen. Being perfect became my dream. Even while knowing it's not easy as seen, wishing to make feel parents proud. Tried to stand out from the messy crowd. Parents went far, friends came close. Every time I think about a new selfie post, social media ruined my entire life. On Snap and Insta, I was finding my type. Body shame and social anxiety engulfed my cage so desiring to be free. Temptations are a huge trouble. Fears multiplied them to double. Everyday life was feeling hassle. Making mistakes became my habit. I remained a wordless piece of when I asked my elders what was happening. Their reply to hormones are exciting. They say to break is brave, and yet your mind is full of dread. You're not overwhelmed by courage, but by helplessness instead. But admitting you are breaking is far braver than you know. And remember, from the bottom, there's just one way to go. Yes, I know that when you're broken, you have only threads of hope. But tie them to the mountain like your personal safety rope. Then gather at the bottom with the summit high above. And take a breath. Then take a step. The only way is up. To be worthy, I changed myself. In this process, I wavered to ask for help. Replace old me by new self. In this war, I lost myself. My father taught me a motto of never giving up. I just forgot I am a lion cub. My teenage is a confusing mess, but now I don't need to be stressed. Because of 99 problems, there is one solution. Self-love, self-belief, and self-respect.